Deliver industrial-level color precision to your clients' home cinemas with BenQ AQCOLOR Pilot. Phase 1. Software Setup and Activation. Start by contacting your BenQ representative for your download link and 16-digit activation code. Ensure you're running Windows 10 or later before installation. The software is not compatible with macOS. Launch AQCOLOR Pilot and sign in with your BenQ account to get started. Go to the projector section. Enter your activation code. Remember, each code is for a single device only. Phase 2. Environment and Configuration. Power on the projector and allow 30 minutes for the system to warm up and stabilize. Darken the room to simulate actual viewing conditions and ensure the ambient light is below 3-foot Lamberts. Set windows to extend these displays. Next, mount your calibrator on a tripod and connect it to your PC. Position the calibrator to face the center of the projection area without touching the surface. Secure your HDMI and RS-232 connections. Avoid using USB hubs and keep cable runs under 20 meters. Phase 3. The calibration process. Select your projector model and then click the cyan pencil icon to enter settings. Choose RS-232 as the connection type. Then select the correct baud rate. Sync the baud rate across AQCOLOR Pilot, PC, and projector. Verify COM ports in Windows Device Manager if necessary. Match the COM port and baud rate, then click the arrow to connect. Select your calibrator model. Position the crosshair on the projection area. Switch to full screen for maximum precision. Click Start to run the 15-second quick scan. Keep the calibrator stable and connected throughout. Verify the cyan pencil icon is active to confirm setup. Now you're ready to proceed. Select both color gamut and gamma for a complete calibration profile. Available gamut options will vary by picture mode you select. Re-verify ambient light and calibrator alignment for the final automated check. Calibration in progress. This takes 20 to 40 minutes. Keep the room dark and the calibrator stationary. Now calibrating gamma for precise shadow and highlight detail. Perform quarterly for best results. Phase 4. Validation and reports. Verify before and after results. Then check key metrics. Delta E is less than or equal to 2 for cinema-grade precision. Gamma 2.2 for perfect detail. Balanced RGB for neutral whites. And accurate color gamut coverage. Click More for detailed gamma and color values. Finally, save your report as a PDF in light or dark mode. Calibration done. You can now unlock the ultimate cinema experience with BenQ AQCOLOR Pilot. Professional calibration, simplified for everyone.